G'day and welcome to my garage. Well, I filed the support bracket. I filed it on the bottom edge there to make this pin at the same level across the way down the ways. Now I've got to align the pin to the parallel with the sides of the ways. So now I know it's a fair bit out. So before I commit the second hole, I'll just adjust this. It doesn't have to be down to the last thou. As long as it's pretty much square with the bed. Okay, lock that in. What did I do with the clamp? This will do. Okay, off to the drill press. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay, one screw support mounted. Wrong way, go that way. Well, there we go, one screw support mounted. Looks good. Still has to drill this, take this out to 18mm, so it's got to come off, go back on the lathe, drilled, and then boring bar. And a bronze bush put in there. And but before I do that, I have to put the 12mm punch through there and mark the carriage. So off we go to do that. This is the work table screw support. That hole's got to go out to approximately 18mm for a fit of that bronze bushing. We're at 14 at the moment, so 2 more 4mm, half that, 2mm. I've got a lot of stick out because of the angle. Okay, and that's 1mm. Okay, that's 2mm over diameter. I think we started off with 14mm. This should be 16mm. A little bit more actually. 16.25. 16.3. Okay. So we go another 3/4 radius. Go 1mm, go 1/2mm radius, that'll sneak us up to it. Oh, it's been bored out and a bronze bush fitted. Now just finish. Now let's fit it up to the slide. The punch is fitted. It's a little bit tight, but that's okay. Be beautiful. Yep. Okay. It's a little bit off centre, but it's still inside the tunnel. Why are you off centre? Anyhow, that's okay. That's got to come off over to the drill press. Maybe. Yes. I'll sort that out. Catch you later. I'm turning down the hand wheel spindle for the work table. This has got to come down to about 10mm. Where's my little? I've got a little piece here. It's just under. It's just about 10mm. So that's got to fit on there. So 10.15. Yep, we're still good. Doesn't have to be an exact fit, it's just a coupling. I'm going to take another thou off that. Beautiful. Lovely fit. I'll just give that a little bit more room. That's it. Leave a little bit of a sloppy so loose the fit. Okay. Just got to drill and peg that on there, drill and peg this onto the thread, and put it together. So we're done for this part. It can come out. Got to thread this, got to change the jaws. Yep. Alright. Catch up after I've changed the jaws and mounted the hand wheel, because this hand wheel's got now come out to 12 millimeters. Won't fit. Alright, catch you later. Just going to take the hand wheel out to 12 millimeters for the shaft, the spindle shaft. Should I use a little bit of lubrication? It's a good fit. It's a good fit. Okay, catch you later. Well, here I am at the small drill press, because the big one won't take the small screws. But just getting ready to drill the holes for these nails. These nails will be the cold rivets. Excuse me. I've already drilled the first hole. This is the coupling for the 19-inch cross slide. So the handle on this end, and this goes into the cross slide body. So the first hole's drilled. Just need to bring it over for the second hole, and yeah, the motor's getting a bit sluggish to start. It's a 2.5mm drill bit. We're through, and we didn't break the drill bit. Beautiful. It's always a bonus, isn't it? With these small drills. Okay. Let's go and finish these rivets. Okay, I'm ready for a bit of heat on the subject. That's one. That's still in focus. I'll leave about 3mm sticking out. Let's make that less. That's more than 3. That's still too much. About 3. And yes, I can do this cold, but I find I get better control over where the rivet travels when it's hot. Beautiful. A little bit more on this one. So it's still got a little bit of, it's hot. Still got a little bit of play there, which is good. And the, don't know if that's focusing properly, but the finish is quite good. And I'll just polish that up a little bit those nails, rivets with a file, take any sharp edges off. I just got to wait for it to cool down. Okay.